In our box there are two such mounting posts. This is for JK 3.6 displacement cars. Then we put this in the front air outlet. This decorative cover. Knock off, and then knock off the decorative cover on this side. After burning, let's stick this pipe post in. There is a screw here. Then we screw this mounting post to this screw. Then take the wrench to tighten it on it. Then this side is also screwed to this tube column. On this screw. This is the first step is complete. Our box contains a bracket like this. Let's get it out. Then take away the rubber pad of the middle storage box. Inside there is a screws. Let's use a number 7 wrench to unscrew it. Then we have 2 rubber pads to match. A rubber pad we stick to the center of this position on it. Another rubber pad we stick on this brackets. Then we put this bracket here. Use it with matching screws. Tighten it up again. Then take out our rail barrel packaging. There are 4 on the guide rail. Screw mounting hole position, then corresponding to the 4 positions of the bracket we just installed. Let's put the rails on top. Then use the matching screws to put up the rails. There are 2 more slightly finer ones in the package. 4 screws. Then we have this bracket above. These 2 positions give it a tightening. We're done with the rails. Our package with this dovetail base. Let's take it off. After taking off, add it to our rails. Then tighten the screws. Select the location you need to put. Then the screws put it up. Then put our connecting rod and cell phone holder. Shrink over the head. It's okay. What about when our hand fan bracket? Let's first remove the original small screw of the hand microphone. And then put a matching iron sheet in our package. And a uterine screw. Let's put it. Tightening. Just lock it tight.